gonna go over our 5 senses. So, what are our 5 senses? Can you guys name me one?
Smell.
Smell. So our 5 senses are sight, smell, hear, taste, and touch. So for our sight, we use our eyes. For our hearing, we use our ears. For smell, we use our nose. For touch, we use our hands. And for taste, we use our tongues. Now, let's listen to the 5 senses song. And I want you guys to hear very carefully to what it tells you guys, okay?
I just wish I had more time to prepare fun lessons, especially.
I have 2 eyes so I can see, and a nose to smell. I have 10 fingers that can touch, they do it very well. I have 2 ears so I can hear the birds up in the trees. I have a tongue inside my mouth to taste the food I eat. I have 2 eyes so I can see, and a nose to smell. I have 10 fingers that can touch, they do it very well. I have 2 ears so I can hear the birds up in the trees. I have a tongue inside my mouth to taste the food I eat.
All right, let's sing it together. Ready?
I have
Where are your eyes?
so I can see.
Point at your eyes and your nose.
I
How about your fingers?
fingers that
Where are your fingers?
they do it very well. I have
And your ears?
so
Where are
I can
ears?
hear the birds up in the trees.
That's right.
I have a
And our tongue?
my mouth.
Where's our tongue?
Food I eat.
Good job. Did you guys like the song? All right. So, for sight, what do we use for sight?
Our eyes.
Our eyes. That's right. And with our eyes, we can see what?
Birds.
We can see birds flying. We can also see traffic lights when they turn red, yellow, green. We can also see our friends when they play in the playground. For smell, what do we use for smell?
Our nose.
Our nose. See that little boy? He says, "What's that smell?" So with smell, we can smell what?
Candles.
We can smell candles. We can also smell mommy or daddy's perfume or cologne. And we can also smell when food's ready. So when we're out in the restaurant and they bring you a big burger and you're like, it smells so good. For hearing, we use our
Ears.
ears. Look at those big old ears. So I want you guys to listen carefully and tell me what makes the following sound.
A car.
A car horn. That's right.
An ambulance.
An ambulance. That's right. And the last one?
A rooster.
A rooster. Good job. So with our ears, we can hear all these things, right? What about for taste? What do we use for taste?
Our tongue.
Our tongue. Look at Daffy Duck. He is tasting his soup. So with taste, we have sweet, sour, bitter, salty, and spicy. What's your favorite one?
Sweet.
Sweet. And for our last sense, we have touch. What do we use with touch?
Our fingers.
Our fingers, our hands. See Lilo and Stitch? They're like, you're touching me. So what do we touch when we
High five.
high five? We touch our hands, right? When we color in school, we're touching our pencils, we're touching our markers, we're touching our paper. And in class or in school, when we try to open the door, we're touching doorknobs. So just like Principal Skinner, he's trying to go inside of his office, he has to twist that doorknob. He has to touch it. So, what are our 5 senses? Can you name one?
Smell.
Smell. So we have, can you say them with me? Sight, smell, hear, taste, touch. Good job. And here's our picture again. So, for our exit ticket, I want you guys to match these up. These are your 5 senses, the ones that we just went over, and then these are other objects that match to them. So I'm gonna do one with you guys, okay? So we're gonna do hearing, okay? So can you hear an ice cream cone?
No.
No. Can you hear a bunny?
No.
No. Can you hear a flower?
No.
No. Can you hear a sun?
No.
No. Can you hear a drum?
Yes.
Yes. So you're gonna connect here, the ear right here, next to the drum. Now I want you to do it for all the other sides, okay? All the other senses. So, did you guys like your lesson about 5 senses?
Yes.